Good morning, Ron.McGowen here with Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. Going to give you a little tour this morning of the Chaparral 30 rear living, 30 RLS. And we'll go ahead and start here in the front today. Going to show you how nice the aerodynamic the front cap is. You've got LED lighting all the way around the front cap, and it is designed for short beds with tight turn radius. You'll see in the front compartment, you've got a metal front compartment. That's going to allow you to store heavier items. Typically people will put a couple of generators in there so that they've got power while they're out dry camping. And moving right around to the side, lots of room in that front compartment, lots of storage area. Additional power there for another TV if you want to run a TV, cable outlets. You've got two marine grade outdoor speakers, electric awning with LED lighting. You've got a nice aluminum step, lightweight aluminum step with a large grab handle. Really makes it convenient for entering and exiting the trailer. As we step up inside, you'll see the first thing you notice is the control panel. Everything is right there for you. Very easy to use. Your monitor panel, all of your slide out switches are right here, water heater control, tank heaters. This unit does have tank heaters, and it is a 4 seasons trailer. Coming inside, one of the things people really appreciate about this unit is the nice dinette table with an extension and under storage. So you can actually store stuff under there, and you've also got storage under the seats. Deck of cards, games, whatever. Theater seating. Full theater seating directly across from your television, so you don't have to turn your neck to watch the TV. You've got a nice full couch in the back. Power on both sides of the couch with cup holders, and this does make into a full-size bed. It's actually a full bed, not a jackknife. You've got a fireplace that works as a heater, and obviously sets the mood in the trailer with your DVD, CD player, stereo system, which you can control inside and outside. Nice place to put your DVDs or store extra stuff. One of the great things on this unit is the pantry with the 3 slide out, pull out drawers. So you're going to have 3 of those full drawers. Along with that area, lots of drawers in this unit. Nice double bowl sink, hard surface countertops, and a nice 8 cubic foot refrigerator. So you've got the larger fridge here and the larger freezer. 3 burner stove with an oven and a microwave. As you roll around to the back, you're going to see a nice, what appears to be a hutch. Reminds me a lot of the hutch days. Nice and lots of cabinet space, and again more drawer and cabinet space. This unit really has a lot of cabinet space. It's great for taking extended trips. Come on up into the bedroom area. In the bedroom area, you're going to have a wardrobe closet on this side, and you're going to have a nightstand on that side with USB ports. Additional storage underneath the unit. So underneath the bed, so that you can store stuff under the bed. And again, a full-size wardrobe closet. Coming back into the bathroom area, I'll let the camera do most of the work here. Just kind of go through things with you. You've got a nice corner shower, porcelain toilet, nice lavatory sink with medicine cabinet and storage underneath, but you've also got nice storage here for additional toiletry items, additional drawers, right? Set up really nice. You're going to notice that you've got a ladder, and you've also got a storage rack on the back. That allows you to put coolers, generators, bicycles, all kinds of stuff that you might want to bring with you and not have to worry about putting in the trailer and then unloading it when you get where you're going. Electric jacks, electric stabilizing jacks, which is really nice. And one thing these guys are really known for, All of their sewer systems and everything are up nice and tight, and you've got all of your controls in one spot here. So you've got your city water connection, your black tank flush, your outdoor shower, everything right here. You've got an 18-gallon water heater capacity, and again, coming around here, more outlets for your cable television, water heater and tank bypass system. 2 LP tanks. It's going to be solar ready. You've got a nice LED light for out here when you're hooking up at night, and electric front jacks. So again, this is the 2018 Chaparral 30 RLS. If you have any questions, please feel free to call me directly at 541-968-6010 or Ron.McGowen, McGowen, at Guaranty.com. Thank you and have a great day.